All right. Hello. Good afternoon, seventh grade. Today I'm going to show you about our thesis statement. That's what we worked on today for Friday, December 18th. So a thesis statement is just a one sentence statement that is what you're really trying to prove in your pro-con research project. So I'm going to go up to classwork. And in our pro-con research topic, again, I have our slideshow right here. This is where we've got our links for our research. This is the chart for our researched facts if you're still working on that. And this is where we have our thesis. It says I can pre-write to organize my ideas. Today you are going to create a thesis statement. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is, see, I'll go to the instructions here. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to watch this Powtoon video here. It's a YouTube video that I created. It's 2 minutes. It has really cheesy music. It's got my narration on it, making the whole thing just kind of cringy for me to listen to. But it's a 2-minute video, and I will walk you through just very slowly how to do a thesis statement. The formula for writing a thesis statement is your topic. So depending on what you are researching, it could be the death penalty, it could be vaccines, it could be animal testing, gun control, whatever it is that you're researching, that's going to be the first words of your thesis statement. Next, you're going to follow that up with your opinion. Do you think that your topic is a good idea? Is it something that should be outlawed? Is it something that should be legal in all states? However you're feeling about it, your stance is what goes next. Finally, you're going to finish it up with because of reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. And that comes from your researched facts. Across the top of the chart in your research facts, you have those 3 reasons. And in my case, it was focus, safety, and saving families money. If you stuck with those same 3 ideas, that goes right here. If you altered them and made it your own to fit with your topic, that's what goes right here. And you'll find out a little bit more about that, I think, in the short 2-minute video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to complete your work in this Google document. And again, I have the formula here, I have an example here, and I have a spot for you to, oops, sorry, I went a little fast. A spot right here where you're going to type in your thesis statement, and then you're going to turn this document in Google Classroom. Once I get those back to you, which will probably be like Monday, because I'm still working through a lot of the facts that are still coming in, then you will add it to your slideshow. So next week, we have just 2 days of school before we go to winter break. Monday is going to be our Khan Academy day, and you'll be working on your commas unit test. If you've already finished up with your commas unit test, then you just kind of have work time for your pro-con project. Then on Tuesday, I'm not giving out any assignments. It's just simply a work day for pro-con projects. So the 3 things that we really, really want to get wrapped up before we head into Christmas break will be 1, your commas unit test, your researched facts, there should be 6 of them, and the thesis statement from today. Those are the 3 things I want you to get done before we go into winter break. We're going to be continuing this pro-con project for much of January, but I would hate for you when we're moving on to topic sentences and other pieces of this project if you're still trying to research and find facts. It'd be great to get all of that done before we go into break. On Monday morning, I'm going to push out to all of you the pro-con slideshow template. It's going to be like a black and aqua colored template, and you will be able to edit that and change it up and make it completely your own. You can keep the same colors, you can make it white and orange, you can make it hot pink, you can load it up with lots of pictures and just add transitions and all that kind of fun stuff with making a slideshow presentation. If you are done with everything, I'm talking about commas, thesis, and facts, you'll have Monday and Tuesday to do that. If you still need Monday for Khan Academy, then you'll get Tuesday to work on your slideshow. And if you just need Monday and Tuesday just simply to catch up, that's okay too. There's going to be other built-in work days where you can edit your slideshow as well. So that's where we're at for today was the thesis statement introduction. Again, it should not take long because it's just one sentence, and a lot of it is actually information you've already kind of put together. If you would like to work on your thesis statement first and then finish up with your facts, these two are really interchangeable, and you could absolutely do that. You could get your thesis done before you do your facts. I just thought might be useful for us to get into our research and learn more about our topics first. But if you feel like I could do the thesis, I could get that done, absolutely go ahead and do that and then finish up your facts. So hopefully you are on track and you're getting your work finished up. If you have any questions, give me a shout, email me. I'll try to check my email a little bit over the weekend, but otherwise, I will probably host a Google Meet on Monday afternoon again, just kind of a question and help session if you need that. So, otherwise, I hope you're well and have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.